Here at CASA, we are a children's mental health organization. So that means that we help kiddos with their mental health. My particular job is working in equity, diversity, and inclusion. So what that means is that I am helping the organization to learn and grow and develop in ways that ensures that we can capture as many of those kiddos that need help as possible. When it comes to the equity, diversity, and inclusion piece, I think we're continuing to work towards that in a really positive way. I think this is one of the organizations where I've seen the most diversity just in terms of complement of staff. And that really helps us to be adaptive and also really innovative when it comes to the clinical care that we're delivering and also how we're doing our HR, how we're doing our communications, how we're doing our occupational health and safety work as well. And I think that's what makes CASA unique and what helps CASA stand out above the rest.
In my role as the Employee Engagement and Experience Coordinator, I am very fortunate. I get to welcome every single new employee who joins CASA. My favorite part about my job is really making that enthusiastic and welcoming experience for every employee. I work really closely with understanding what our programs are, how they work together, and helping each new employee understand where they fit in within CASA and how they're supporting the larger goal of providing mental health services for kiddos and their families across Alberta.
I work with the philanthropy team, and my team helps to fundraise money. We are a nonprofit, so donors are really important. They are the force behind everything that we do for CASA and its activities and programs. So we hold events and fundraisers and campaigns, and we involve the community in raising the funds.
CASA is one of the first organizations that I've personally worked for where our values aren't just a poster that we have on our wall. The values of CASA are embedded in every single decision that we make. Our values are underscoring what we're trying to do and how we're trying to propel our mission forward. And that to me is something that's really, really unique about CASA.
The culture here at CASA is one of collaboration and community. There are so many ways that each department tries to work together to really create clinical care that is of the highest quality for patients and families.
Being able to make a difference early in the lives of children, make sure that they thrive to be better in their teen and adult lives.
Every single person who works here is doing so because they truly believe in the work that CASA does and making a difference in the lives of children who are struggling with mental illness across Alberta.
Another thing that I like about CASA is it encourages me to have life-work harmony. It nurtures me to be myself, which is something that I truly love.
I love working for CASA, and one of the reasons I love working for CASA is the sense of community that I feel every day when I walk through these doors.
What drew me to the job is I really love that I am part of something big and I contribute to making a difference in people's lives.
That feeling of belonging and that feeling of comfortability and welcomeness and kindness to know that I can be who I am is what makes CASA an organization that I just absolutely love showing up to every day to work.
Join us and become part of something big.
Come work with us at CASA.